Welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about some good old tech news. But first, keep in mind, guys, we have a PlayStation 5 giveaway. Yes, all of the information will be in the description below. And since you're already reading the description, go ahead and hit that like button. And then hit that subscribe button. And then, of course, leave a comment. Just say hello. I'm going to wave back too. All right, so of course, before we talk about the news, we gotta do the joke. The joke that makes all you guys laugh. So, what did the canary tell the man? Huh? You don't know? Come on, you know this. He said, sing. So today we're gonna be talking about some LG news. Life good, guys, right? Life's good for you. Now, LG has been known to be amongst the top when it comes to competing with other brands on the market. Like for example, like particularly when it comes to phones. Yeah, phones. Normally you hear about Samsung, Apple, but LG has a lot to offer, especially outside of the phone world. They always made some really good TVs. I'm telling you about it. Check them out, LG OLED video. That's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to talk about a little about LG E9 OLED TV. We're also going to be talking about the LG Xboom. Finally, we will also talk about the LG R9 CordZero ThinQ Vacuum. These are some pretty cool tech items, guys, for real. Now, the LG E9 OLED TV is a successor to the 2019 C9 series. On board is a new Alpha 9 processor, which brings improved AI features to better picture and sound quality. Web OS is still really good and constantly improving. It stays safe to the E9 feature approved and has been upgraded to the HDMI 2.1 and dynamic mapping Pro in the settings menu to improve the HDR10 performance. Like seriously, guys, they make some really good quality stuff, especially the TV. With the LG Xboom Go trilogy set of the Bluetooth speakers, it's a bit of a unique step up. Yes, step up. First, because it's three speakers, and the secondary, because they are three different sizes. Yes, first you had the small, you got the medium, and you got the large one. Of course, as you go in order from the PL2 to the PL5, all the way up to the PL7, you get the obvious size increases. You also get less features as you decrease in size, which is sad. But anyways, these speakers offer the feature you will want to be with Bluetooth speakers, such as water resistance, great battery life, and good sound quality. Here you go, LG. Life is really good. They can connect with up to 100 speakers simultaneously. That's awesome. You also have the LG traditional LED color lights and multi pairing, just to name a few of the great features that comes with the new 2020 releases. So now I'm gonna ask you guys a trivia question. Leave an answer in the comments below. How many of you guys like to clean? I do. Well, I'm pretty sure all of us love to have a clean house. It's just that sometimes we dread doing the work, right? We all hate that sometimes. Well, the LG R9 CordZero ThinQ Vacuum should make your job a lot easier. This little guy is a smart robotic vacuum cleaner that operates independently to vacuum your floors. Yay! It has a powerful airflow for suction that coupled with high speed from deep cleaning, which is called its smart turbo mode. It has really good durability for less friction. Now, the LG R9 also has a power drive nozzle that lifts everything from dust to pet hair effectively. So all you animal lovers, hey, that's a perfect solution for you. The power drive nozzle also has an anti-tingle design. So I'm telling you guys, check these things out. You won't be disappointed. All right, guys. Thanks for checking me out today. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking over here. If you love seeing my beautiful face and you want to see more cool videos, check these videos over here. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.